Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Capgemini has finally announced hiring for 2026 batch. Friends, see, for 2026 batch, now the hiring season has started. Capgemini, Cognizant, Infosys. So these are the companies said they are going to hire in bulk, around 65,000 in total hiring Capgemini and Infosys alone will be doing. Okay, so now this is basically on campus, it's not off campus. So in your college also they will be sharing you the same link. If your college is eligible, you will be able to write. In this I will also tell you, so what are the changes in this Capgemini exam this year. Okay, and not only this, so previous year questions also I am going to share with you, so along with all the patterns. So this will give you the complete information about this Capgemini hiring. So please watch the video till the end so that you don't miss anything. Okay, now anyway, let's go back and see. So here Capgemini invites you to Superset to apply for its software engineer Capgemini Exceller 2025-2026 positions. Complete the registrations and apply below. 5th of September is the last date. Okay, application deadline closes in 9 days. And now if you click here on register now, then it will take you to Superset platform. I don't know. Okay, so here I need to basically fill the details, and then you have to go to the eligibility criteria, and in the eligibility criteria, right, you have to see if you are eligible or not. Okay, your college is basically eligible or not. This is only for the 2025 batch, so be very clear. Okay, so I'm not sure about. Okay, so I think, okay, so this is some, it will take to basically this reset password and all those things. I did not wanted to do that. Okay, anyway, so you just have to see in the eligibility criteria if you are eligible or not. Okay, if you're eligible, if your college is eligible, then please go ahead and apply. 2026 batch only can apply for this position. Now coming back here, so sir, what will be the pattern? Okay, so that we will see. So from previous year to this year, there is some changes in the pattern. So the very first thing will be the salary package. So there will be 3 different role: analyst, analyst star, and senior analyst. Capgemini on campus hiring 2026 batch. So your registration is starting from 26th of August 2025. That means already study it is started. And then English assessment virtual. So friends, see, in English assessment, no, there will be 2 things will be there: communication round and even verbal ability will be also there. I will give you the complete details from 9th September to 20th of September 2025, because 5th of September is the last date to apply. And then physical assessment 12th to 25. That means it might happen in your college, right? Okay, now the next one, if you'll see, so analyst role, the package will be 4.25 lakhs per annum. For the analyst star, 5.5 plus 25,000 you will be getting bonus, so it will become 5.75. And for the senior analyst, 7.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, and friends, very recently, if you'll see here, we posted that one of our candidate, he got selected in Cognizant for the, Capgemini for the senior analyst role, right? So if you go down here, okay, so okay, let's go little more down. So where is after this? Okay, so Raju basically got selected. See, so he got selected for Capgemini package of 7.5 lakhs per annum for the senior analyst role. Actually, he has got selected in 5 companies anyway. So, and he got onboarded also for the Capgemini senior analyst role. Next, so friends, hiring process. So see, first will be your resume selection, so screening and resume selection, then communication round, technical assessment, coding assessment, gamified round, and interview. So one thing you be very clear, there is no aptitude round. Okay, but your technical assessment, pseudo code will be there, networking will be there, a lot of things will be there. So there is no aptitude. Okay, see, game based is different, we don't keep in the category of aptitude and reasoning. And then there is no reasoning, no aptitude and no reasoning will be there in your Capgemini. Okay, so instead of that we will be having game based. So the first round basically will be your screening. Okay, screening. So basically you can say your resume selection. Okay, and then we will be having this communication round, technical assessment, coding assessment. So this coding assessment will be for your analyst star, and they will tell like this also, or a senior analyst. Okay, or senior analyst. And then you will be having gamified round. Okay, and then you will be having interviews. Correct? Okay, clear. Now what I will do, so our next is see communication round. So there will be 30 minutes speaking, listening, reading, questions and answer task. Focus on confidence plus clarity. Friends, for on campus and off campus Capgemini, there will be little difference will be there in the pattern. Technical assessment, 40 question, 40 minutes. DBMS, OS, computer networks, DSS, pseudocode. We will see gamified round, motion grid, switch digit, deductive and inductive. Coding round, 45 minutes, 2 coding questions. Difficulty level easy to medium. Lead code practices. Eligible for analyst prime you say, or analyst star you say, or senior analyst. Interview. Analyst role, communication plus resume based plus technical. See, for analyst role there will be no coding. Okay, so communication plus resume based plus technical questions. Interview. Analyst prime senior, so they will ask you coding plus technical question, HR and manager, confidence, project and resume. Now from here the main thing start. So friends, communication round. So basically they say communication round is a non-elimination round, but again it depends. So your college will tell you if the communication round is a elimination round or not. So total 6 round will be there, one by one we will see. So the first one is communication round, then pseudocode plus IT fundamentals, where DBMS, operating system, computer networks, all those things will be asked. 40 questions and the time will be given to you is 40 minutes. Okay, then verbal ability. So friends, at many places what they did, so they either asked essay questions or they asked essay questions or they asked verbal ability. Okay, so it was different for on campus, it was different for off campus, it was different for college to colleges. Okay, so 30 question, 30 minutes. If there is a essay writing, that also we'll discuss. Game based aptitude, around 24 question, 24 minutes. Okay, 4 different parts like cognizant, there'll be 4 different sections will be there. Okay, each section they will be giving you around 6 minutes. Behavioral round will be there, 5 sections, 9 minutes. This is a non-elimination round. Okay, so your behavioral round will be a non-elimination round. See the round 1. So basically earlier this round was the 6th round. Okay, the last round was the communication round. Okay, that is only for the senior analyst, okay, or the analyst star. But now even for the analyst, so now it is not the this is a 6th round, this is the round 1. So was communication round, questions like what is your favorite mode of transport and why. So there were similar questions like that. So see, the Capgemini communication round will be different than your cognizant communication round. So what is your favorite mode of transport and why? Like you can answer, my favorite mode of transport is trains because they combine comfort, efficiency and scenic views during the journey. Favorite place to visit in hometown when you young. Okay, 50 words. So these are told by the student. So my favorite place to visit in my hometown when I was young was a local park. It had wide open spaces, beautiful trees and a peaceful lake where I loved to sit and watch the ducks. The park was a perfect spot for the picnics, playing and relaxing with friends. Okay, like this communication round questions will be there. Then comes your round 2. So round 2 is a elimination round. Round 1 communication round is they say like it's not a elimination round in Capgemini. So here pseudocode 25 question, IT fundamentals 15 question, total of 40 minutes. See friends, you will be thinking how to prepare. So it's very simple. We had launched Capgemini crash course. Okay, and see, it is not like it will be keep changing. Okay, so your Capgemini crash course, so it's not like it will be keep changing. For 2025 it is different, 2026 it is different. If you'll see the syllabus, 2024 also it was same, 2025 also it is same, 2026 also it is same. Okay, so here content, if you'll go and see, we have tried to cover whatever it is possible. Okay, so recorded Capgemini online test, new pattern, Capgemini mock test, Capgemini previous year questions, PDF plus videos, live classes also are there, and live classes recording from this thing. Okay, so if you go inside this recorded one, so recorded one, technical MCQs, data structure, essay writing was there, verbal ability was there, okay, and game based videos were there. Okay, so these were the things which was part of this Capgemini this thing. Okay, now so Capgemini, if you'll see, where is this technical assessment? Okay, so technical assessment, if you'll go inside this, so you'll be having basics of networking, okay, MCQs, and then cloud, okay, and then database concept, okay, DBMS, all these videos are from the DBMS, okay, PDFs are there, data structure and algorithm, MCQs are there. So whatever is possible, we have covered it, okay, and that is definitely going to help you out. And again, before your exam, we will try to cover some more things. Okay, anyway, so the link will be given in the description, so you can do check it out, this Capgemini crash course. And next, okay, and pseudocode also should be there. So okay, yeah, pseudocode is nothing but your data structure pseudocode only. They will be asking, see Capgemini pseudocode 40 videos, and along with that all these videos are there, right? Okay, so here Capgemini pseudocode, if you'll go, so all the latest concept and then all these pseudocodes is available here. Some 40 parts are there from this Capgemini pseudocodes, right? Okay, 40 videos are there, so that is definitely going to help you a lot. Okay, so you see how many videos are there. That is sufficient for your examination. Okay, previous year questions, everything is given here. Now, so anyway, let's go back and see how we can solve this. Okay, so pseudocode questions from bitwise, logical, and for loop. DSA MCQs were asked. IT fundamentals, computer networks. So this is OSI model, DBMS, protocol, IP address, cloud computing. Questions like TCP, UDP on which layer? Note, this is an elimination round. Okay, fine. Then round 3. So round 3 basically is for essay writing. So friends, in many colleges they asked essay round. In many colleges they asked verbal ability. So minimum word 180 and maximum word 220. So you cannot write more than 220 words, and you should not write less than 180 words. So backspace was earlier causing negative marking. Now a student says that it is not. So if you see, if you wrote something wrong and then if you press backspace, then definitely it was causing a negative marking, but later on they removed it. Questions which was asked from few people are below. Causes of heat wave. Learning is more important than winning. Pollution in river. It is an elimination round. Okay, now, so the next, round 3. So many candidates were rejected in your round 3, round 2, so whatever limits round. Below, see, so in essay rounds, no, so follow the below pattern. Introduction, and then body, and then conclusion. Topic. So these were again things were asked. Essay topics. Impact of AI on employment. Hard work versus smart work. Is deadline is good or not in creativity? Is sport necessary in the academic? So you also have to check with your college that what basically are going to ask, but anyway you need to prepare for all those things. So there is one example like causes of heat wave. So first introduction should be there, then body, and then conclusion. So that we have already covered in Capgemini crash course. Round 4 was behavioral round. So are you a team player? So this is not an elimination round, so you do not have to worry. Are you a team player? Agree, strongly agree. What do you like more, working in team or as individual? So this type of questions will be there. So basically they will be checking out your presence of mind. Okay, and friends, all these questions, the previous year questions we have already put in the descriptions, so you can check the link out there. The 5th round was coding round. Total number of questions were 2. Time allocated around 45 minutes, and it is not an elimination, it is an elimination round. And see, coding round will be definitely an elimination round, and this will be for the Capgemini, okay, analyst star, and Capgemini senior analyst role. Okay, senior analyst role. Okay, fine. So this will be giving you the idea. See, as I said, there are many things, which might be there for your college or which might not be there for your college. So that you have to see. Round 6. So this will be the game based round. So grid challenge, switch challenge, motion challenge, digit challenge, deductive logical thinking, inductive logical thinking. See, there are some shift. Earlier it was 4th round, so there is a shift basically this time they have done. So around 4 section and 24 question, time per section around 6 minutes, adaptive in nature. That means if you will solve one question and if it is of average, next question will be of difficult level. If the first question which you solved it is simple, so next questions will be of moderate level. Okay, so already this also we have done. See, summary of Capgemini first slot statement. So that time a student had said, so total 25 questions, pseudocode 15 questions and DSA 10, bitwise, logical and for loop, IT fundamentals, total 15 question, computer network, OSI model, DBMS protocol, IP address, cloud security. So English writing, essay writing, you see, heat waves learning is more important than winning pollution in river. Max minimum word 180 and maximum 220 and time given is 25 minutes. See, these are the question. Find the Hamming distance between this and this. Okay, Adobe Commerce is an example of which of the following type of cloud services. Okay, Gmail is an example of which of the following types of cloud services. Okay, so see, lot of questions are there. That link you will be getting in, the questions you will be able to get it in the descriptions. Okay, so these are the game based questions from Capgemini. Okay, so all these questions we have put in the description so that you will be able to get this and you will be able to solve this. This is what I wanted to tell you. Thank you, take care and all the very best. So if you are eligible, please go ahead and apply and prepare with online study for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you, take care, bye bye. We'll meet soon in the next video.